nong yang pedeng ni interlocutor ban ïakren ïasuk ka sengewthuh National Liberation Council u Bah Sadon Blah ubadei ru u present ke HNLC ulong ba ka Sorkar kadei ban sngewthuh ba ka HNLC ka kwah bat ka thrang ban wan syaka mi jing ïakren ïasuk Henry ka syong pan sa ka benta ni ka rule ban shim da kini ki ban mi khamat na ka Sorkar pedeng bat Sorkar jylla ban perkhat hakmat kani ka tribunal ba kumno kinshna ya kalat kelinti ba ka HNLC kan wan biang sa shisin syakami ïakren ïasuk habakran bat kilat pathai khubor u Bah Sadon Blah ulethu ba kani ka tribunal kalong kum ka ying ka shiri ka ba kerpang ka ba pet ya kini kikam ba ïadei bat ka ïakren bat ki kynhun leno bat la thau ya kani naduh usnam arhajar ar
ba naduh usnam arhajar Lyngba ka Sorkar kami Lyngba ka Ministry of Home Affairs da ka feedback jong ka state government kila declare ya ka HNLC kum ka ban organization apa ka UAPA mo maksudnya tengadon lang kami ba penunjuk shemphang te kajing penpawe long ba hak apa tarik untuk naik kandon ka hearing ka bala khot da ka ni ka tribunal ya ka bala ila ya ka seng HNLC bahkan kontes ya ka ni ka jing shaban bahkan ni ka sin ka bandung kom dulu senang marjara hadu menta ba ka HNLC ka long willing ba kontes ya ka ni ka declaration as a illegal organization ya ka seng hi bor oi te kata ka ni jing mantang ka dengna ba ka benta ka khambun ni dan lawyer ya ka seng ka thong Lyngba ka city of appointment ka ba dated indudrug ma cha ja sam ka ba thong da ka seng ya iba penunjuk shemphang kumu nongsynshar ba mi khmat ya ka seng haka apa tarik khmat ka tribunal jong ka union home ministry ban contest ya kata ka jingsha declare ka seng as a kum ka ta ban organization thì bubun ki benta ka trai I lawyer in kham tuchai ya phi press media kham ba ki pada ken yo ya ka jikte secession of areas of the state makre largely inhabited by Khasi and gentrified from India tarik point kabal lo basically continue intimidation and bullying of the civilian population for extortion of fund kata karung kita kadung kata extortion of fund Kapala yung ba ka-agency maintaining with other insurgent group in Northeast. Kita tayo na point. Kabasaw kong ba kadang benta atau south properly ki criminal cases kabakantot ki explosion dan ki planting of explosive hagbo jelang ni dan usna mana lo khandot ri lomba ba khandai ado ai ko ri ju da sa nangka but I perhaps going to some point whereas the following has also been noted during the period of November and Kandai and like June or the but new plan check-in but suci sebentar di kota kaya super long kita jadi nongol ke bapa sang nongol ke negara lain no man declare itu sedang but extend yang dia declaration kalau ni lalu pas sedang ke peace process ke peace talk kita kau juga Chelsea by one sini alai pasang penyekeran berka government Lyngba hikmat yang central government baru berka state government penyekeran dia kata suah bangkit berka sengkan posisi hikmat yang di peace process long di bangkit yang kata ya kan ni so kemudian asnam tam lai pasang yang kata political dialogue on political channel kumnu bangkit yang kata nagalian ka central state government yang imlang bangkit yang kata Kemudian kapali ba Chelsea ka kwah I banga kung siyang ko kwah I ba Chelsea ka wan siya ka jingasuk ko Sorkar te habang ila fear ka political platform kemudian ba Chelsea da katang jylla ban yai beteng ya ka peace process kam bansi ban sim ya ka politik ya ka official platform ba da ka ba thung yo consular ban ni lawyer do sai ba unya sai hak tribunal ba kumno ba balai ba bam desho ba tikra ban ma siya ka sai Jadi katakan long yang naduh mencuma ini berkomen yang naduh asnan peace process HNLC kalau serius dengan peace process na kata bakal afir political platform tega kwah banyak dari judicial redress yang dia bentang. Tadi kemata tu bukan desain. Nama nakalian ke government, nakalian ke establishment, nakalian ke state central government. Kita kini buat ini ke accusation kat company ke keluar tribunal. Tega saya bukan jom bentang, kan saya bila jom bentang. Nama hababun kita bentang ni kadang kita jin ko haba ini ka justification ni like makan justification ni kita ki explosive activities kababun kita kadang kita jin ko nakalian di bor kulit di bor Sorkar gila hampir 5% kadei share di konsen. Teka syampa ka yang bisa bahkan ka tribunal baru lawyer ni ban yakun pada kata apa bentang boleh ko ka tribunal industry wala nakalian ka state government kini bercucuk bagai bekas HNLC kalau serius dengan peace process. Teka syampa haka role bahkan shim kan kini ban persen yang Union of India subhat chamla gayal kini ban persen state government. Hakmat kan tribunal ba kumno kin snai ya kala kunti wa kadai mengapo tribunal kin snai kala kunti ba ka HNLC kan wan yang semak sisir ke habis ini kan peace process. Emang kan tribunal ka don dulu harja kan nulu ketika belum dia tribunal hamam bayi militant groups for this bahawa bentar ini konstitusi ini tribunal katanya kan tribunal kalau ke special court bentuk jadi ni UAPA cases kan tamu ya bagi militant organization ini kita ki sehingga
kalau kemudian hak bayi dari kerja kes kepada juga belak kepada juga UAP mau tribunal mau kini ketika one bit direct nanti kita home ministry of home affairs mau Lyngba ketika notification New Delhi dan 18 November 2024 di hak bayi berkenaan bala isu yang ini nubusan lor yang ini ka kes ba mukadas ni hapo kaban salong ni hapo ka state convention kaban long haka atau atribu macam tahu arya sa di hati lor kani menurem wa nakalen juga seng di lemar katkom kani ka nubusan kilabu syaiba ka HNLC kum kawai nak kita kiseng ba ke Sorkar kalanyo ba kadei ki kalanyo ba kadei ba outfit mah Unlawful mah te haju before te kilabu syai ni ba kibo dau konsen advocate konsen mah ban yakun yang dikamti halo ni kan nomor te nak kalian dengan yang kesengi kelaya sekemat ba Lyngba jamu siang pada interlokutor te kelapa ikan negotiasi mo kani kabuan Lyngba jakan New Trade National Liberation Council mo kani kadi riterik umat area absa but tho syai komne tu Fernando Champliang appointment of legal representative with reference to the subject mentioned above the New Trade National Liberation Council HNLC is pleased to appoint Master Fernando Champliang as its legal representative to represent the organization in matters relating to the extension of the declaration of HNLC as a banned organization by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. As rescheduled date of the hearing has been fixed on the 22nd March 2024 at State Convention Center, 2025 at the State Convention Center, Khlieh. The HNLC hereby informed the concerned authorities that the Council has appointed the aforesaid mentioned advocate to represent the organization in this matter, issued by the authority of HNLC, and has been signed by Bobby Ahmarwin, Chairman of the HNLC, and San Kupar Nongtrau, General Secretary of HNLC. Di halor kani gubenta hadin bangalayo, ingilayo, ya kani ga Siti nakaseng te nagaliang kejemiru ngakom wei konsel ngala submit ya kanega intimidation letter hapo office jong USP hani isksil te ban nakju ka poru ngila haga bide kene ban rupsan leting ye kene matarno haga bide bakane ga UAP ka ban long ka bala ka issue da ministry hak khanai trib no bar adu sa mo kebangi submit mentakas ni kadai tarik March ada pesan. But ya kan ni lah ada bersih kita kena kalian jangka office jang USP. Ke kendia halor buat kenia mo halor ngakwa ban percaya kendia halor bari kenia ka not fiction kaba ndei ban nyinya ha kaba labu ba lakhen ya ka HNLC mo ba ya kan ni ba kadei kata keseng kaba Tarkum ke jimbo jangka Ministry of Home Affairs Union of India. Kalau orang buat kini mau buat ke HNLC ke maintain links with other insurgent groups. Mau long kini bang kipoin kiba ke kiba nak kalian juga Home Ministry kabu mau long ke peni ba ke HNLC ke dekati mau bat kini of the northeastern region for carrying out acts of aggression and intimidation. Kadang tu ke point dulu ke orang ni ba indulged in 48 criminal cases, including the several case of expression or plan of the explicit in the state of khlieh during the period from 16 November 2019 to 30 June 2024. Sisyo kaniga nufsyan ka amba ka katkum ka 100 November ada katkan to 19 June 2024 ba lada kem hadu kuba 73 of its kader during the said period buat hai ni period mo kani kawan dengan ni innovation te susu ka ko aban ban hangne haga bide ba kani ba ya ka katkum kani ka section 31 jong ka UAP 1967 ka kren shai hanne ba ya ka new threat national liberation council along with all its function wings and front organization has as an unlawful association. The central government having regards to the unlawful activities mentioned above, that the unlawful activities committed in the past by the New Threat National Liberation Council is of the opinion that circumstances which necessary to declare the New Threat National Liberation Council HNLC along with all its function wings and front organization as unlawful association. In exercise of the power by the provision of section 3 of subsection 3 of section 3 of the said act. Mut kani ka unlawful activities prevention act. Hani kalau ang ba maybe under section 4 of the said act have been immediate effect from the 16th of November 2024 for a period of 5 years. Mut kata kejingken illegal unlawful ya keseng HNLC. Ke kani gawe kabagawan nak buat kena ke Home Ministry Union Government. Kalau kena ke nomor MT. Kalau bu constitute ru hangne mo ya kena ke Unlawful Activities Prevention Tribunal. Mo kena ke bawan ni napo kaya in the matter of the New Threat National Liberation Council HNLC of khlieh. Dated 3/1/2025. Present Honorable Master Justice Sumitra Saikia, that is the presiding officer. Shri Subhas Chandra KL, Land Special Prosecutor, represented on behalf of the Union of India. But kumjuru nagaliang jongka state government la present daki IPS besar mo. Terengkat bat kiwi ki besar di jongka sub kebade jongka ha po Superintendent of Police Shillong branch jongka khlieh. Te ka order ka bami ni kat kum kena division kena tarik ke ba khala tarik ku November ada besar issued by the Government of India in the Gazette of India externally, state the reason and ground that declared the New Threat National Liberation Council of khlieh, hereinafter referred to HNLC, as unlawful association within the meaning of Section 3(1) of the UAP Act 1967. Kata kawan katkum kenika UAP Act. Susu nang ni ba another Gazette notification dated 6 December 2024 was issued in the Gazette of India externally constitute the tribunal for adjudicating whether or not there is a sufficient cause for declaring the aforesaid organization as unlawful association under the act. Mut ini poin mo ibang kan declare mut na kalian dong HNLC kan ni kon ni mo